How to change your email address on Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your email address on Twitch. So how do you do that? The first option is for you to log in into your Twitch account just like I've done here. Once you are logged in, move to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. Amongst the options displayed, ensure you select settings. Once you've selected settings, you'll be brought to your settings page where you can see the option for it at the profile photo. You can see your profile settings like your username, your display name, your bio, your Twitch account. So move to the top part of the screen and then select the security and privacy tab. So by selecting security and privacy tab, you'll be brought to your email. All right, so you can see, thank you for verifying your email. So in order for you to change your email, move to the right side of the screen where you can see the pencil icon, which stands for edit. Click on that and then you have the option for you to change your email. But the next step would be for you to enter in the new email that you would like to make use of here. So you can just erase this, enter in the new email, confirm the new email address, click on save, and then a verification code will be sent to that particular email. Click on the go to your inbox, enter in, click on the link, and then after clicking on the link, the email will be verified and then it will be added successfully to your account. So it is that simple. So for me, I still want to maintain this email, so I'm going to leave it that way. So that is how you can change your email address on Twitch. Thank you for watching and have a good day.